Congratulations! You're spending a semester abroad.
Me? Can you give me a sec? I'm cramming for a final.
Okay, I'll wait. I have some schooling of my own to do. So let me ask you, what are you planning to pack?
I thought I'd just bring all of this.
That's one way to do it, but if you really want to backpack through Europe, you'll need to, be able to haul it on your back. When I traveled through Central Europe, I actually made the mistake of bringing way too many things. For example, even though I was carrying only one bag, I made the huge mistake of bringing heels. I mean, have you seen the streets of Central Europe? Everything is cobblestone, and there's absolutely no reason to pack those Manolos. So nowadays, when I backpack, I only bring a very minimal amount of shoes, and they're always flat. Packing one bag for your study abroad trip isn't just about being a minimalist, it's also practical. You'll be totally mobile to travel anywhere, you'll have an easier time navigating bathrooms, your luggage will easily fit into lockers and overhead compartments, and you'll be less of a target for theft. Plus, it'll ensure that every single piece in your bag really has a purpose. It's not there just in case. Are you in?
I had trouble committing to this comforter, so I definitely don't want to be tied down by my luggage all summer. Sign me up.
Okay, this might hurt a little. Put out everything you want to take clothing-wise, and then eliminate half. Deep breaths. To start, let's talk about what you shouldn't bring. For a European study abroad, pick your favorite pair of jeans and call it a day. More than one pair will weigh down your pack. Don't underestimate the importance of a good scarf. It can do triple duty as an accessory, picnic blanket, and shoulder covering for those religious site visits. Dresses and skirts are easy to pack and lightweight. Choose ones that can be dressed up or down. Bring a hat, even if you hate hats. Sightseeing equals lots of sun exposure. Let's talk shoes. You're going to be walking a lot. You'll want one pair of stylish sneakers and, depending on the weather, boots or sandals. So choose wisely and go for comfortable and cute. No matter what you bring, don't pack more than 2 weeks worth of clothing. Here's a full list of what to bring. 2 weeks of underwear and socks, 5 casual tops, 5 dressy tops, 1 pair of jeans, 2 pairs of leggings, 1 pair of lounge clothes, 1 pair of athletic shorts, 3 pairs of shoes, a swimsuit, 2 skirts, 2 dresses, 2 lightweight sweaters or cardigans, a light jacket, 3 scarves, and lightweight jewelry. Once you make your clothing selects, it's time to get packing. Choose a backpack that's comfortable enough to carry around Europe and also small enough to meet the weight guidelines of smaller European airlines. Packing cubes are your friends here. Put all of your clothes into one and your socks and underwear into another. Pick one with a clean or dirty side so that your clean clothes won't take on that already been worn stench.
I normally take my laundry bag to my parents' house where it magically gets cleaned. So that's over now.
With only a few clothes, laundry is a necessary evil. Detergent packets are a lifesaver. Add a crossbody bag that will hold essentials like money, a collapsible water bottle, sunglasses, documents, and essentials. Pick one with a sturdy strap to deter petty theft. Tech-wise, get the converter for your country of choice and consider ones with splitters so you can charge multiple devices at one time, like your phone and laptop. Pack a small quart-sized bag with a week's worth of essentials, then stock up on what you need once you find your home base. Refill your travel-sized bottles for weekend excursions, and don't skip a travel towel. Since you're traveling with your apartment on your back, you'll need everyday essentials too. A padlock to lock up your luggage at hostels, prescription medications. Take what you need for your entire stay and make sure your prescription information is on the label. Pack a mini emergency kit of ibuprofen, allergy medicine, and anything else you use regularly in a pill box. But buy larger bottles of over-the-counter items once you arrive. Dryer sheets. Throw a couple into your bag to keep things smelling fresh. Hand sanitizer and wet wipes. You'll thank me, I promise. A headlamp for navigating the hostel without overhead lights. Now, try to close it up. Ideally, you'll have room for souvenirs. Believe me, you won't miss those extra jeans when you have the chance to buy a vintage Italian leather skirt at a thrift store. Plus, you should be able to lift it over your head with ease. If you can't, it's time to whittle down your selects. Once you're doing backpack presses, that means you've graduated to study abroad status. Bon voyage!